dive deep ocean zones and creatures. Welcome to our deep dive into the ocean's many layers and the incredible creatures that call them home. From the sunlit surface to the darkest depths, each zone is a world of its own. Join me as we journey through these distinct layers, exploring the fascinating adaptations of life in each. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity and wonder of Earth's most expansive habitat.
On plunging deeper still, we enter the Abyssopelagic zone, a realm of crushing pressure and eternal darkness. Here, between 4,000 and 6,000 meters below the surface, the temperature hovers just above freezing. Life here exists in a delicate balance with the extreme environment. The creatures that call this place home are a testament to the incredible adaptability of life itself. Drifting through this alien landscape is the deep-sea jellyfish. Its ethereal form pulsates through the water, a beacon of bioluminescence in the abyss. The faint glow it emits may help attract prey or deter predators, but in this vast, dark world, every flicker of light is a precious commodity. We encounter another denizen of the deep, the gulper eel. Its most striking feature is its enormous mouth, which can open wide enough to swallow prey much larger than itself. This adaptation is crucial in a world where food is scarce and opportunities must be seized whenever they arise.
We've now reached the ocean's most extreme environment, the Hadalpelagic zone. This zone encompasses the ocean's deepest trenches, plunging to depths greater than 6,000 meters. Here, the pressure is immense, equivalent to the weight of several elephants pressing down on every square inch. Yet even in this seemingly impossible environment, life finds a way. One of the remarkable inhabitants of this zone is the Hadal snailfish. This small, unassuming fish has surprised scientists with its ability to withstand the crushing pressure found at these depths. Its adaptations for survival in this extreme environment remain a subject of ongoing research, offering a glimpse into the remarkable resilience of life on Earth. The trenches are also home to a variety of amphipods, small crustaceans that scavenge for food on the ocean floor. These creatures play a vital role in the deep-sea food web, breaking down organic matter that drifts down from the surface.
Leaving the deep ocean depths behind, we now journey to a different kind of underwater landscape, the Continental Shelf. This submerged extension of a continent is a realm of shallow waters and abundant life. Sunlight penetrates these waters, fueling a vibrant ecosystem that rivals the surface zone in its diversity. Here, we find the bustling metropolis of the coral reef, built by tiny animals called coral polyps. These underwater cities teem with life. Fish in every color imaginable flit among the coral branches, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the water, their ancient lineage a reminder of the ocean's enduring power. The Continental Shelf is also a vital fishing ground, providing sustenance for countless people around the world. Cod, haddock, and other commercially important species thrive in these waters, making this a zone of both ecological and economic significance.
As the continental shelf gives way to the deep ocean floor, we encounter the Continental Slope. This steep incline is a dynamic environment, shaped by currents and sediment flows. It's a region of transition where the shallow water ecosystems of the shelf gradually give way to the deep-sea communities of the abyss. Here, we find deep-sea corals, their delicate branches reaching out into the darkness. Unlike their shallow water cousins, these corals don't rely on sunlight for energy. Instead, they capture food particles from the water column, their survival a testament to the adaptability of life in the deep. One of the most remarkable discoveries in recent history occurred on the Continental Slope, the rediscovery of the coelacanth. This ancient fish, once thought to have died out with the dinosaurs, was found living in these waters, a living fossil that provides a unique window into the evolution of life on Earth.
At the base of the Continental Slope, we find the Continental Rise, a gently sloping region formed by the accumulation of sediments over millions of years. This vast, muddy plain may seem desolate at first glance, but it's actually teeming with life. Here, beneath the surface, lies a hidden world of creatures that have adapted to thrive in this unique environment. Sea cucumbers, with their leathery skin and elongated bodies, crawl slowly across the seabed, consuming sediment and extracting nutrients from the organic matter it contains. These unassuming creatures play a vital role in recycling nutrients within the ocean ecosystem. Polychaete worms, another group of benthic invertebrates, are also abundant in this zone. These segmented worms burrow through the sediment, creating tunnels that provide oxygen and shelter for other organisms.
Stretching out before us now is the Abyssal Plain, a vast, flat expanse that covers much of the ocean floor. This seemingly barren landscape, lying between the Continental Rise and the mid-ocean ridges, is one of the most extensive habitats on Earth. While it may appear desolate, a closer look reveals a surprising array of life adapted to this extreme environment. Scattered across the seafloor like stars fallen from the heavens are sea stars. These echinoderms come in a dazzling array of colours and patterns, their 5 arms radiating out from a central disc. They are opportunistic feeders, consuming whatever they can find on the ocean floor, from dead animals to decaying plant matter. Another common sight on the Abyssal Plain is the brittle star. These relatives of the sea star are characterized by their long, slender arms, which they use to move across the seabed with surprising speed. When threatened, they can shed their arms as a defense mechanism, a remarkable adaptation that allows them to escape predators.
Chapter 10. Ocean Trenches. We now return to the deepest parts of the ocean trenches. These deep, narrow depressions in the ocean floor are formed by the collision of tectonic plates, creating some of the most extreme environments on Earth. The pressure here is immense, the darkness absolute, and the temperature just a few degrees above freezing. Yet, even in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life finds a way. The Hadal snailfish, a small translucent fish, has been observed at depths of over 8,000 meters, making it the deepest living fish ever discovered. Its adaptations for survival in this extreme environment remain a mystery, but its existence is a testament to the resilience of life. Other inhabitants of the trenches include amphipods, small crustaceans that scavenge for food on the ocean floor, and xenophyrophores, giant single-celled organisms that can reach sizes of up to 10 centimeters. These creatures have adapted to survive on the limited food sources available in this extreme environment, often relying on chemosynthesis, a process that uses energy from chemical reactions to produce food.
Chapter 11. Seamounts and Guyots. Rising up from the ocean floor, like underwater mountains, are seamounts and guyots. These geological formations, formed by volcanic activity, create unique habitats that teem with life. Seamounts are conical in shape, their peaks often reaching close to the surface, while guyots have flat tops, the result of erosion by waves and currents over millions of years. The slopes of seamounts and guyots are often covered in a rich tapestry of life. Sponges with their intricate skeletons and filter-feeding habits provide shelter for a variety of smaller creatures. Crustaceans, such as crabs and lobsters, crawl among the rocks, while schools of fish, including tuna and sharks, patrol the waters above, attracted by the abundance of prey. Migratory species, such as whales and sea turtles, are also known to congregate around seamounts and guyots, using these underwater oases as feeding grounds and navigational landmarks during their long journeys across the ocean.
Chapter 12. Mid-Ocean Ridges. Our final destination on this journey through the ocean zones takes us to the mid-ocean ridges. These underwater mountain ranges, stretching for thousands of kilometers across the ocean floor, are where new ocean crust is formed. Here, tectonic plates are pulling apart, creating cracks and fissures in the Earth's crust where molten rock from the mantle rises up to create new seafloor. This process of seafloor spreading creates a unique and extreme environment characterized by hydrothermal vents. These vents, spewing out superheated water rich in dissolved minerals, support a remarkable ecosystem that thrives in the absence of sunlight. Giant tube worms, anchored to the seafloor, dominate these vent communities. Lacking mouths and digestive systems, they rely on symbiotic bacteria living within their tissues to convert chemicals from the vent fluids into energy. Vent crabs, with their spiky carapaces and long legs, scuttle across the rocks, their claws adapted for scraping bacteria and other organisms from the vent chimneys. These creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this extreme environment, including the ability to withstand high temperatures, toxic chemicals, and the absence of light.
As our journey through the ocean's zones comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the sunlit surface to the darkest depths, the ocean is teeming with life, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Each of these ocean zones plays a vital role in our planet's health and supports a diverse array of life. The mysteries of the deep sea continue to inspire and amaze us, reminding us of the importance of preserving these incredible ecosystems.